Well, greetings. My name is Frank Coe, and I'd like to share with you a few notes that we've put together for a full-time faculty replacement request. Our ESYS, Electronic Systems Technology program at Chabot College, will not survive without a full-time instructor. Why? Let's go ahead and look at several reasons. First of all, we have a very successful community outreach for improving our enrollment, and this outreach cannot occur without the participation of a full-time instructor. The promotional posters, as you have seen here, have QR codes that allow people who view these in social media websites such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, WeChat, TikTok, allow viewers to be able to get immediately captured by the visuals, the message, and they can follow up very quickly with the QR codes that will take them to the specifics of our program as well as paths to enrollment. This can't be done by adjuncts. It's not within their purview. This is one of the most compelling reasons why we need a full-time instructor. Also, full-time instructor is necessary to help develop those hands across the miles relationships with local companies for apprenticeships and the internship programs. We've had some very good successes in this particular area, most notably with Skyworks, a local $30 billion electronic chip manufacturing company. It's an international company when they happen to have one of their local offices here in San Jose, and one of our very interesting success stories, Jacqueline, who just turned 18, was offered full-time internship at the rate equivalent to $50,000 a year. This is not bad for an 18-year-old when most of her friends are still playing video games at home with mom and dad. The other success side of the story is that Jacqueline came to us after viewing our video in YouTube as a response to clicking on these QR codes to find out more about our program. So double success there because of the involvement of a full-time instructor. Next, very importantly, curriculum development cannot occur without a full-time instructor. We have to refresh our programs, as all programs need to, in order to keep current, and revisions have occurred in 2020, 2021, 2022, where our revisions to curriculum have updated our degree and certificate of achievement programs. And most notably, just this year, we were approved for fall instruction of our non-credit courses. And again, the mountainous amount of work that is needed to work with curriculum committee in order to make this happen on behalf of the program, on behalf of the students, cannot occur without a full-time instructor, which we do not have now. Program review is another area. As managers of your own areas of purview on the campus, you know that each program is seeking funding from a variety of different sources, and who arranges that budgeting, who arranges the ordering of supplies, consumables, who arranges the continuing ongoing contracts with software from our manufacturers, as well as forecasting the needs for the next year. All of that is done with a full-time instructor, desperately needed for ESYS program. Next, another area is program-specific counseling. This cannot occur without a full-time instructor. So we recently had a waiver of program requirement request, as well as another request for course substitution, as our students have evolved from the previous curriculum to the current curriculum. A number of them are looking to requests course substitution from the old courses of the old curriculum into units that are appropriate for the current curriculum. Again, adjuncts do not have this responsibility falling into their purview. This is under the purview of a full-time instructor. Also, communicating with people who are inquiring about the program as demonstrated here. This just was last week, Monday, on the 31st. The response to this is done by a full-time instructor. So this is necessary to support the needs of the students as they come up with respect to a number of student-related issues. Job postings. This is another area that the full-time instructor of ESYS has been actively engaged in, seeking out job prospects in the East Bay through Indeed and also through other channels. And when those job opportunities become available, become known to us, the full-time instructor uses discord.com as an instant messaging system, not only with the current set of classes that all of the instructors are teaching, but this depth of courses, classes that have been established goes back at least 2.5 years. So the full-time instructor clicks on each one of these classes in Discord and flashes the announcement for different training opportunities and different job opportunities. Again, this cannot happen without a full-time instructor. We've been able to have our students enjoy learning their skills, improving their skills, enjoying job promotions within their companies, as well as being hired as new hires to companies like Tesla, to East Bay Mud, Alameda Water District, to Skyworks, that $30 billion chip manufacturing company. And all of this cannot happen without a full-time instructor. So this program, as it presently does not have a full-time instructor, will not survive without a full-time instructor. So with that, I thank you very, very much for your attention, and I hope that you all will be able to see an opportunity to approve the full-time instructor position for ESYS program at Chabot College. Thank you and have a blessed day.